Hello, so I'm going to make a tutorial on how to make an LAN server. I'm going to try make this as simple as possible. I'm doing it without any script, so I don't really know what to say. Let's get started, okay? This server's for Unturned, obviously. Unturned has a little secret dedicated server, like game basically. It's just all the files it needs for a server, so you can't actually play it. Well, you can play it, and you can play like single player, I think. But it has server helpers in there, so you can create a server without doing any of the complicated stuff. So if you're on Steam, I'll click off this here if you're on it, so it shows not installed games. Search Unturned. It says here Unturned dedicated server. You need to install that. Okay. So now that you've installed that, go to right click it, press properties, local, and then go to local files, browse local files. Okay. Now this is kind of complicated. It shows a lot of stuff here. It's called U3DS. That doesn't matter. I'm just telling you that, so you know what this means. This is your test server. Okay. Now if you look down, you see server helper. Okay. Double click it. It's gonna create this here box. Now you need to wait. This is making your server. So I have Unturned open right now. It will create a LAN server, and it will pop up here with whatever its name's gonna be. So let's open up this here, and it's gonna mount the core, which is basically it's just getting the core Unturned game into the LAN server. So this here might take 30 seconds to a minute depending on your PC. It shouldn't use that much Wi-Fi, by the way, because you're not hosting it out to anyone else. It's only for people on your internet. So say that you're downstairs, you have a computer, you will be able to join the server on that computer, but only computers in your house. If it gets stuck, just press enter, because it might just be doing that. If you want to see what's actually happening, just type and you'll be able to see. And then once you're done, just click again. Okay, this is done now. What I forgot to tell you, my console look different than yours is because I have Rocket mod running on this here, because I have a different server, but that will make a difference, and all the Rocket mods, I'll make sure like it doesn't make a difference, except that this is going to give me all this blue text, but that doesn't mean anything, okay? So let's go to, so now click off that there. You can close it if you want, or you can go into here. It will show you Unturned server, which we can join. Shouldn't take too long to join. And boom, there you go. You're on the server. You can go here, no shoes team ID, you can add them in yourself, and you can do whatever you want. So I've got a rocket so I can spawn on items and stuff, but for you, you just have to type /vehicle and then spawn it. So I can't press Edge or run any perspective, and I have no mods. So let's sort that out. Okay, so let's exit the server, and let's do shut down. Just type that in the console. Okay, it shuts down. So now here you have a servers file. Click on that and go to default. This is what it's called. You can rename it to test, okay? Whatever you want. I'm just gonna rename it to test for YouTube. There we go. So ignore this Rocket file. Let's get straight on. Just get into our workshop files, okay? So I'm guessing you want workshop mods. Let's go to the content file first. Now this is where we're gonna paste files, and there are two ways of getting workshop files. I'm gonna show you the first way. Okay. So you have to have the files already pre-downloaded, which I do, and you probably do as well. If you're trying to just recreate a server to, test your playing skills or whatever. So you're basically going to do what you done with the dedicated server. Right click Unturned, but this time Unturned, properties, local files, browse local files. This time you're going to look at the top up here, or you can press this here button, go to Steam Apps, then Workshop, Content, and then 34930. Okay, now you're up here. So these will be all the mods you have installed. Now, these are just random numbers. You don't know what they are unless you search through them, okay? So here's how you find what mods you want. So if I open Chrome right here, I have the workshop now. I'm not going to use this here because that's very useless. I don't have it installed. I have this here. What's it called? I forget what it's called. Okay, collection. Okay, so I have all of these mods installed. Fuck off. But so let me just pick a random mod here that doesn't seem too big. More farming mod. I have that installed. Let's click on more farming mod. Now up here on your search bar, there's a number. Right click on the number, copy it. Go to the file up here. Go to the search bar, paste it in. There you go. That's more farming mod. So we're gonna put that back in. Copy it, and then go all the way back to content in your workshop file. Go to content here and paste it, and it will copy. Boom. Easy done. So, and there is also another way to do it. So let me delete this file. So the way that I just showed you will make your server load up faster, but you'll need to automatically update all the mods. So say a mod gets updated, well, you're gonna need to update it manually. So you need to like update your main game, then copy and paste it in here and replace it. It's not too hard, but there's a faster way of doing it. And this is here workshop download config. Now this here is good, but here's the problem with it. It will take a bit longer for a server to load, but it auto updates. So you're going to take that ID and paste it in there. And I need to copy it again. So if you take that ID, paste it in there, and then if you want to do more, you just put a comma, and at the very end, don't put a comma. Okay? And this will work as you think. You save it. So once you save it, then you just load your server up, it will install. If the mod gets updated, it automatically detects it, and then it will shut down your server and restart it. Well, it will shut it down, and then you need to restart it. Because it's a LAN server, you'll realise it shuts down. So I'm not going to use this method because it takes longer, so I'm just going to save that and exit out. Move this back to my screen, okay? I'm going to use the method of putting it in to the file just by copying and pasting it because it takes a bit less time. So I have this pre-prepared somewhere. I'll just use this here. There we go. So I just have it all copy and pasted. By the way, if you want to get a map, you put the map file in the map folder. So let me copy these folders. And I'm going to copy them in. That's got to take a while. Okay, and while you get that working, you can now go over to server file and then commands.dat. Now this file's empty, and this is how you name your file. Now I have created a handy dandy Word Google document with all of this here that you can use, which I will link in the description. It's not done yet, but I will eventually get this done, and there'll be a full tutorial here, and there'll be multiple and all the YouTube videos of this series done. Okay, this is taking a lot longer than I thought, so let's quickly get this done. Okay, so I have my version copied and pasted in here. There we go. I'm going to edit this, so you'll be able to edit it yourself. It's not that hard. Somebody just name it YouTube. Oh shit, that's the map. Okay, that was the map, sorry. So the map needs to be exactly the same. YouTube test. Perspective post cheats enabled. There we go, easy. Okay, now that my workshop files have been successfully transferred, I can start up my server. So hopefully now with my new commands.dat file in there, it will load up with my map. So if we edit this, it will load up with my map, my name and my perspective, and it will have cheats. I'm going to add a quick sneaky little thing in here. It's called owner. This will instantly give you admin. Okay, so let me go to my Steam profile. Anytime today would be nice. I'm going to right click, copy page URL and paste it. And I'm going to take away all of this here, just leave the big number. That's your Steam 64 ID. I'm gonna get rid of this here underline bit so it doesn't make any errors. Okay, save that, and I'm gonna start the server up now. So make sure you remember this here name of your server file, okay? Now go to the unturned application down here and create a shortcut, okay? Go to this shortcut, press properties, okay? Where the unturned.exe is, do a space and then Control V. And what am I Control V? Well, there's a thing in the description, okay? It's what I just pasted in. That's what you need to paste in here, okay? Now go to the end. Remember when I told you to remember that their name? That's what you need to type for the name here, okay? And press apply, okay? So if I go to servers, it's YouTube. Here, it's YouTube, okay? Now this is how you start your server. So you want to double click on this here. And boom, it says right there. It's only there for a couple seconds. It said map successfully set or whatever. Hopefully the map works because sometimes this map's a bit buggy. Okay, just start your server up as you done last time with the server helper. Okay, might take a couple minutes longer. And if you use the workshop file way as you put in the IDs, it might take a bit longer to load. Okay. I just came into a little error. I'm gonna restart my server. I'm just gonna get rid of the map, but it still works for you if you want to use that with the map. It's just this here map I'm using is broke as for some reason when I like to use it, so I'm not gonna use it. Sorry, but it still works the same for you, hopefully. Yeah, the server's loaded with like a pile of errors, and it's nothing to do with the server. It's just the mods I'm using because half of them are broken for some gay ass reason. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this mod and. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Right. So let's see if it works. There you go, connect player, and boom. So now because I set myself as owner, it's working, and my welcome setting test is there, and I can do /vehicle and I'll do it with it, and the ID, so 123. Boom. /VP51. Boom. This is a mod file, by the way. Why is it using 7.7? I don't know. Let's go now. There you go. This is how you create a LAN server. And special shout out to Toby, because he was the one who asked me to make this video, and I've made it now. And trust me, it's gonna take me like half an hour to edit this thing because there's so many fails on it. Because I've just done so many stupid things, because, yeah, okay, that doesn't matter, the video's here now, you're gonna see it, stay tuned for more videos like this, because I'm gonna make a full series on it now, and also the Google document folder thing is gonna get updated every time I make a new video, so enjoy.